The objectives for this video are to learn how to calculate binomial probabilities using the TI graphing calculator. According to the 2012 Pet Ownership and Demographics Sourcebook, 36.5% of U.S. households own at least one dog. If 10 U.S. households are randomly selected, what is the probability that exactly 4 would own at least one dog? Let's make sure that all of the criteria for a binomial experiment are met. There are a fixed number of trials. 10 households will be randomly selected, so n is equal to 10. There are only two possible outcomes. Either a household owns a dog or does not. We will assign a success to finding a household that owns at least one dog. The outcomes of each trial must be independent of one another. Whether a randomly selected household owns a dog has no effect on the probability that another household owns a dog. The probability of a success remains a constant 0.365 from trial to trial. We are asked to find the probability that out of 10 randomly selected households, exactly 4 would own at least one dog. In probability notation, this can be expressed as the probability that x is equal to 4. We should use the binom PDF function on the TI graphing calculator to find a binomial probability associated with one value of the random variable. In order to use the TI graphing calculator to calculate binomial probabilities associated with a single value of the random variable, we will use the binom PDF function. So we will begin by clicking second VARS, and then we will cursor down until we get to the binom PDF function. Click enter. In this example, the number of trials is 10. The probability of a success is 0.365. We are to find the probability that there would be exactly 4 successes. Click enter and then paste. If you are using a TI graphing calculator that does not present a menu for entering the required values, then you will need to place the values in order. That order will be n, then p, then x, with commas in between each value. Press enter, and now we find that probability is 0.2444 if we round to 4 decimal places. In this video, we learned how to calculate binomial probabilities using the TI graphing calculator.